Who does auto insurance coverage protect? An auto insurance policy will cover you and other family members on the policy where driving your car or someone else's car with their permission. Your policy also provide coverage to some who is not on your policy and is driving your car with your consent. Personal auto insurance only cover personal driving. It will not provide coverage if you use your car of commercial purpose such as making delivery. Neither will it provide coverage if you use your car to work for ride share service such as urban or Lyft. Some auto insurance now offer supplemental insurance product at additional cost that extend coverage for vehicle owners that provide ride sharing service. The bottom line, while other type of insurance such as health and home owners may seem more important if you own an automobile, regardless of whether your state requirement and auto insurance, having a insurance policy can save you a lot of money and aggression in the long run. Remember to shop around for the best car insurance rate to find the coverage you need at a price you can afford. Complete risk free with $1 lakh in virtual case. Put your trading skill to the test with our free stock simulator. Complete with thousands of investment traders that you made to the top. Submit traders in a virtual environment before you start risking your own money. Practice trading strategies so that when you are ready to enter the real market, you had the practice you need. Try out stocks similar or uninsured motorized coverage may pay a policyholder damage when an accident involve a driver who does not have insurance or is a hit and run. Liability car insurance. Liability car insurance provides financial protection for drivers who harm someone else or their property while operating a vehicle. Or what is third party insurance? Third party insurance, the most common example before auto insurance, is a policy designed to protect against the action or claim of a third party. What is comprehensive insurance? Comprehensive insurance is the car insurance that cover damage to your car from causes other. Learn about comprehensive insurance cost. Thank you.